Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to add a TradingView widget inside Notion to keep track of stock or crypto charts. Let's jump right in. First, open up your browser and go to TradingView.com. Now, at the top, click on More, and then go down to Widgets. Here you'll see different types of widgets like mini charts, market overview, or ticker tape. Let's go ahead and choose one. I'll pick the mini chart widget for this example. Now customize it however you like. Select the symbol, theme, size, etc. Once done, click Get Code at the bottom. This will give you an HTML embed code. Now open your Notion workspace and go to the page where you want the widget. Type embed and hit Enter. Then paste the TradingView widget URL from the embed code, not the full HTML, just the URL inside the src. Hit Enter, and the chart should load right inside Notion. And that's it. You've added a TradingView widget in Notion. If this was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Got questions? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.